We are from 365 Design, Indian-based company, and we are offering portable helipads for Indian aviation sector as well as defense sector. And portable helipad is a rugged structure where you can use the portable helipad for landing the helicopters in terrain region in toughest conditions. And it can be used in applications like oil and gas, wind energy, and military applications as well as airport authorities and more industries. And portable heliport is a innovative and patented product from Solar Aviation Solutions, our channel partner company from US based, and we are offering portable heliport for worldwide operations, and we are giving the portable heliport offering for industries where the distress operations and terrain region operations, like northern region is the major client area where the companies are looking for landing the helicopters in terrain region, and for National Disaster Management Force where Uttarakhand disaster has happened. This kind of portable heliport will help in future to prevent the disaster management, to land the helicopters in the terrain regions and rescue the people and do the relief supplies, and even for the coastal regions in Andhra Pradesh as well as Tamil Nadu or Karnataka, where the flood rescue operations can be carried out very easily by National Disaster Management Force or from the Navy and the Coast Guard. And the portable heliport is totally made of aluminum material and stainless steel fasteners, and it's an innovative patented product with telescopic legs which will give the terrain region for level automatically when the helicopter is being placed at the landing site. And the portable heliport can be carried through the helicopter sling loads, as well as it can be transported by the road, and many more applications like portable heliport can be used in by the Ministry of Affairs for the landing of the VIPs in the remote locations, to address the public in the villages as well, so that there will be a safe landing for the helicopters in the ground as well. So this technology is totally a telescopic leg with assemble, and this kind of leg will be there at four of the corners. As per the sizes, we are offering 3 standard sizes for the Indian aviation industry, where all the helicopters, mainly the Eurocopters as well as the HAL and Pawan Hans, the major corporation who gives the heli services in India, all the helicopter matches with all the 3 standards in India. And these telescopic legs are made of totally aluminium, and the top pad also is made of totally aluminium, and the top skid gear landing system is also aluminium grit, and this one can be used for the skid helicopters as well as the wheelbase helicopters for the operations. We are very new into the Indian market era, and we have marketed this product in worldwide, and in United States of Army also using this product, and in US some of the private companies are using in mining industry as well as other rescue mission operations. We have supplied to Australia for the mining industry as well, and we are looking forward for Indian sector, Indian government in defense and the private helicopter companies to use it in power line industry, energy industry and oil and gas. And a lot of national disaster force of every country is response is very good on portable helipad, and they are looking forward for using this portable helipad equipment for their disaster management. And even we are approaching for all airport authorities, so that any disaster happened by a flight crash, so that the airport authority can land the helicopters near to the crash site and do the rescue missions very immediately and promptly. Yeah, we are in the pipeline with the DGCA to take the certification on our portable helipad, and portable helipad comes on as a temporary helipad structure where to respond and to do the rapid deployment in disaster management, as well as for the border security forces, which India is struggling for a long time to establish the infrastructure at borders, to deploy the army force to secure the borders. Without infrastructure, they are very much back to support that border security force. So this product will help now in a different level for Indian aviation industry to take up the border security forces one step ahead and plan the rapid deployment with armed forces in the J&K as well as the Assam region, where the most terrain region is occupied. and the private companies like HAL and Pawan Hands are in already in Uttarakhand region. They are helping out to restore the roadworks and the transportation. So we are looking forward for clients like Pawan Hands and HAL, as well as helicopter companies who supply the helicopters to the regions in the northern region, which with their support of all the companies like Airbus helicopters, as well as HAL helicopters, and from the Russian helicopters, we have a support to recommend this product to the clients in this line of work. We have approached to the DRDO. We, as a open invitation, we have sent the details, but we are not offered to take the product, but we have openly sent all the information to all the organizations about our portable heliport as well as Mark II Sentinel surveillance systems, where we are lacking behind in Indian technology, where the surveillance system is not used till now. And right now we are doing the surveillance by the land or by survey companies by doing the land. Now it's a technology ahead that the people are going to use aerial surveillance systems by the government agencies as well as the Indian defense and the private companies. And we are looking forward for the both the products, portable heliport and aerial surveillance system, and to give the offers to the companies in Indian market as well as the government sector. Already the portable heliport has captured the attention worldwide, and we have been supplying to most of the companies, and we are in the pipeline to supply further orders in Asia Pacific, and even for the Antarctica base we are in discussion to supply them, and some of the private players who supports for the heli services in the region of oil and gas as well as disaster rescue missions in IC regions. They are looking forward for getting the equipment in their list so that they can deploy the portable heliport whenever is required. If we are doing at present, we are doing the manufacturing from USA, from Solar Aviation Solutions is manufacturing, and we are importing to India, or we are forwarding the portable heliport to the landing sites where the client is requesting in international market. And we are going to do the manufacturing in India, in Hyderabad, in our factory, to supply to Indian government as well as Indian private companies. No, we are not into the reseller or reprogram thing, but we are looking forward to supply to the helicopter manufacturing companies, to supply to their clients as per their operation needs, and as a coordination between 365 Design and Solar with companies like Eurocopter, Airbus helicopters and other companies. Yeah, we like to make an attention to Indian government that this portable heliport is a very much 100% safety proven technology, where helicopter can land in the terrain region, very ease operations, and it's really a very much innovative product for rapid deployment for disaster management, or for the defense sector to send the armed forces to a certain locations without any scheduled plan operation. So that it will be very much future perspective. The portable heliport is a very much right product for Indian defense market. We are participating first time in the exhibit program in Indian Aviation Show 2014, and we have circulated our news article about the portable heliport through SP magazine Defense in Paris Aero Show, and we are looking forward to participate in Paris Aero Show as well in July 2014, and we are looking forward to participate in National Disaster Management exhibit show in November, and we are looking forward to do the demonstration and have a further discussion with DGCA, that how DGCA can certify our portable heliport as a temporary helipad to use on as a safety element for helicopter landing, and it can be used by the private companies as well as Indian government agencies to land the helicopters in terrain regions. And we are mainly concentrating on the market of safety as a priority first of the helicopter landing, so that the companies, even the private companies who hire the helicopters to land in terrain regions for oil exploration or wind energy sites for the maintenance, where the high risk factor, high safety risk factor is been involved, so that they can use this portable heliport and make a milestone in safety perspective so that they achieve safety milestone in their line of work. We are into Solar Aviation Solutions is into aviation industry is more than 40 years, and we are channel partners since 2 years with them, and we together Solar and 365 Design are working very hard to bring aviation industry into next level by giving this kind of safety products and surveillance system products, and many more energy management systems for the existing aircrafts, so that next level we can take the next level in the equipment supply for the aviation industry. Thank you so much.